Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the error loading files problem on Mobile Legends Android. This problem is usually just a glitch in the app or a system error. So, here's what you can try to fix it. Solution 1. Allow permission for Mobile Legends. Tap and hold the Mobile Legends app on your app gallery. Now tap the eye icon or app info. Tap permissions. Make sure any kind of storage permission is allowed here. For example, photos and videos. If it was denied before, enabling it will allow the game to extract required resources properly. After that, go back to App Info. Now tap on Mobile Data. If you use mobile data to play games, make sure Allow Background Data Usage is turned on. After that, go back to App Info again and tap on Battery. Make sure it's set to Unrestricted. Then go back again. Now tap on Change System Settings. Allow permission for this as well. Now restart MLBB again and check your issue. Solution 2. Clear Game Cache. From your app gallery, tap and hold the Mobile Legends app icon. Now tap the eye icon or app info. Find the storage option from here. Tap on it, tap Clear Cache. After that, close all your background apps and try opening MLBB again. Solution 3. Update MLBB. Open your Google Play Store, search for Mobile Legends. If you find any updates for this app, make sure to update it. If you can't find any updates, the problem may be with the app itself. So, uninstall MLBB completely and reinstall it. That will fix your problem for sure. That's how you fix the error in loading files on Mobile Legends Android. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Mobile Legends fixes. See you next time.